Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you a free tool that you can use to easily create a step-by-step guide in few simple steps. So let's say a friend or a family member reach out to you needing some help on their computer. They want you to help them in troubleshooting, or they just want you to show them a step-by-step process on doing something. Let's say they want to create a Gmail account and they don't know the process involved. So they reach out to you to help them with a step-by-step process. Instead of doing this over a call, which will be inconvenient, the best way you can do that is to write a step-by-step guide and send it to them. But doing this will take a lot of time. However, with this free tool, you will not be able to just create a step-by-step guide, but you can complement the step-by-step guide with visuals like screenshots, and the tool is going to do all this automatically. The tool will take all the hassle from you, so there's no much you have to do on your site. So the tool we are going to use is called ScribeHow. So simply go to your web browser and type in scribehow.com. I will also leave a link in the video description. So look below the video you are watching right now, the first link in the video description. Click on it and it should take you to this particular website. Okay, so now we are on the website. And to get started, simply click on Get Scribe Free. So I'm going to click on this. Now they will ask you some few questions. It doesn't really matter. So just answer what you think. I'm going to use it for education and just me. So here we have two options. You can sign up with your Google account, or you can sign up with your working email account. So I'm going to sign up with Google. Then here I'm going to select a particular account I want to use. So I'm going to select this account. Now here you are going to name your team. It's not compulsory, but you can just name it. So I'm just going to leave it. Then click Get Started. So this is a free Chrome extension. So just click on Get Free Extension. Then it will take you to the Chrome Web Store. So we are there. Click on Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. And the tool has been added. So here they are asking you to record. So we are not going to start now. Just click Continue to Workspace instead. And it will take you to the dashboard of your account. So we have a search button where you can use to search for items. This is a home button. So once you click on it, it will take you back to your dashboard. This is for documents, all the documents you have created. And this is your teammates. So you can actually add other members to your team. And so here you can invite your teammates. This is where all your notifications are. If you need any help, you can contact their team for support, and this is your account. For this tutorial, I'm going to show someone how to create a Gmail account, and I want to prepare a step-by-step guide to the person with screenshots so that the person can easily follow the steps. To create a new scribe, simply click on New, then click on Record a Scribe. A scribe is just a term given to a step-by-step guide. So I'll click on Scribe, Record a Scribe. Then I have three options. You can see that I have two tabs open. So whether I want to record this tab, or I want to record this tab, or I want to record a new tab. So in my case, I'm going to record a new tab. So I'm going to select New Tab. Then the recording will start. So as you can see, we are now recording the screen. So if you click on this, this is the controls. Once you are done recording, you click on this. If you want to move controls, if you make mistake and you want to delete the scribe, this is where you will do. And if you want to pause the recording, this is where you will do. So now let's get started. I want to show someone how to create a Gmail account. So I'll go to Google, then click Gmail. you see that Google have suggested some keywords. So I'm just going to click on this keyword. Then click on the first link. Then click create an account. Then fill my details. So I'm just going to use dummy text, username, password, confirm. Then click on next. But because this is a tutorial, I don't want to create a new Gmail account. So let's stop here. So let's say we are done with the process. Simply come back to the controls, click on it, and click complete recording. So our steps have been recorded. Now it has taken us back to the workspace. And as you can see, this is the step-by-step guide that the tool has created. Just look at it. It's so amazing. See, with screenshots. If you were to do this manual, it will take you a lot of time. Just see. So now go through the documents. If you don't like anything, you can actually edit it. So the first step is navigate to the Google website. Okay, click this text field. Okay, so this is okay. Type Gmail. So as you can see, we type Gmail, then click new account. So it's okay. Click create an account. As you can see, so it has recorded the steps. And when you are recording the steps, you don't need a voice recorder. You don't need to record your voice. So as you can see, so if you want to add, let's say it has skipped something and you want to add a step, just click on this add button. And so we have what? Step, tip, alert. So let's say I want to add an alert. So I'll click here, then just type something. And press enter. So it will add an alert. Or if you don't like this and you want to delete it, simply click on these three dots, then click delete step, and it will delete it for you. So just go through and make changes. So once you are done making all the changes and you are convinced that everything is okay, you can copy the link and send to the person. So once the person click on the link, it should show them the step-by-step guide. Or you can click on share. Then we have three options. You can add the person's email here and send it directly to them, or start a smart embed. You can copy this line of code and embed it on your website. So let's say you want to use this as a blog post, right? Just copy this piece of code and embed it on your website and it will become a blog post. Or you want to export. So under export, we have export as PDF. Then we have other options which are paid versions. So we are not going to touch it. So in our case, I want to export this as a PDF. So I'll click on export. So it is generating our file. Then click on view PDF. And as you can see, our PDF have been created. So just go through it. The tool is so amazing. It will add screenshots automatically. You don't have to take screenshots. So once everything is okay, download your PDF to wherever you want. Then click on save and send it to the person. I hope this video was helpful. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Also share to your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in our next video. Bye.